hang on to me if you need to.
Okay.
I'm here for you.
Hanging on for me.
On a rainy Monday morning in March, Alees Coates-Richardson and Gloria Carter, both in their 90s, returned to a place that shaped their youth, to reconnect with a piece of their past. Is this a surprise for you, what they did?
It's a surprise.
Well, here we go.
Oh wow. We're going to seal it.
This was all encased in brick, and when they started working on the lobby, they started pulling off the brick and found this underneath. Hidden from sight for more than 70 years, an original wall of the Vienna Colored School, a 3-classroom wooden schoolhouse built during the Great Depression, was uncovered during a recent renovation at Louise Archer Elementary School. Alees and Gloria attended school here in the 1940s.
That's our class picture. That's me back there. I'm right here on that end. She and myself and this person here still around. Out of our group. They all gone to glory. They all gone. Yes. And Ms. Archer.
Pictured with Gloria and Alees in their 1946 class photograph is Principal Louise Archer. She taught children in grades 5 through 7, while her colleagues Cheney Henderson and Mabel Mack taught the younger children. Louise Archer was beloved by her students.
She was a hard-working person. She was kind. She was. She was a sweet, sweet lady.
After Louise Archer's death in 1948, the school was renamed in her honor.
She was like a mother. She didn't have any children of her own, and she felt that the students were her children.
Alees and Gloria recalled how Mrs. Archer drove to Vienna each day from her home in Washington, D.C., stopping along the way to fill her car with children who would otherwise have walked 3 miles to school.
The boys, if she could, she would open up her trunk, and maybe she'd get 2 or 3 boys in the trunk.
Louise Archer Elementary School has been enlarged multiple times since the late 1940s. It desegregated in 1965, and today serves some 540 students of diverse racial and ethnic backgrounds. But back when Gloria and Alees were children, school life was very different.
Because we didn't have a cafeteria, a gym. We didn't have that to go out in the yard and do the exercise. You go outside and play dodgeball, and if you go to the restroom, you had to go outside to the toilet. Every morning we used to have devotion. And we had the prayer and pledge allegiance to the flag and a song and a verse from the Bible every morning before we went to our classes.
Alees and Gloria are among the last to remember those early years, when alongside the teaching of reading, writing, and arithmetic, Black educators gave children the strength and resilience they needed to thrive in the face of segregation.
We've come a long way. So we're here to see it and thank the good Lord that He's blessed us to stay here to see. Because I'm 92 now. And I'll be 91 Friday. Just to see this is amazing. That's right. Mm-hmm.
Preserved in the school lobby for future generations of students, the wall of the old Vienna Colored School is more than just wood and nails. It celebrates the stories of children like Alees and Gloria and stands as a testament to the teachers who fought for public education and opportunity during a dark chapter of Virginia's history.
Glad to be here to make history again. You got that right.